On June 15th, the U.S. Supreme Court rejected an attempt by Arizona and 12 other states to defend the Trump-era public charge rule. The Trump-era public charge rule had been in the courts for years, with the Trump administration wanting to broaden the definition of what constitutes a public charge. In the meantime, the Biden administration took office, and its Department of Justice refused to defend the Trump definition. Arizona, therefore, and a coalition of states wanted to step in the place of the Department of Justice and defend the Trump definition of public charge. The Ninth Circuit disagreed with their ability to do that, so the coalition of states appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, which initially granted that review. On June 15th, however, the U.S. Supreme Court dismissed the case. In a one-sentence order, they said the case was improvidently granted, which means the U.S. Supreme Court should have never granted review in the first place. Now, you're going to recall the Biden administration back in February had issued a notice of proposed rulemaking to narrow back down that definition of public charge, more consistent with the field guidance that was around from the 1990s. It would add clarity to the definition and immigration statuses that it impacts. That public comment period closed back in April. We are now waiting on the Biden administration to finalize that rule. Homeland Security says this new proposed rule, if finalized, would implement a much different policy than that 2019 Trump-era rule. They say it would put effect a more faithful interpretation of the statutory concept of what is called likely at any time to become a public charge, which they say would avoid unnecessary burdens on applicants, avoid chilling effects of the past rule, and make it a more fair process. Now, like we said, that rule has yet to be finalized. When it is, we will bring you an update. In the meantime, you can read that one-sentence order from the U.S. Supreme Court and more on that proposed rule in the Department of Homeland Security.